Okay, if you don't know where I am, this used to be Hershey Farm Restaurant. So it's kind of a shock to the system to come here and see this. It's kind of sad. I think maybe this is part of the gift shop that survived. And then up there's the hotel. This guy's still standing. He just freshly mulched this. I can smell it. It's very soft. This is Amos of Zinn's Diner. He's still here. Here. Okay. So, as you can see, hotel is still fine. Walking trail up to Sight and Sound. It's actually a beautiful day here today. But this is just crazy. It's just completely gone. This is what it looks like right now, and the sign out in the street does say hotel open, restaurant coming in 2024. So do plan to rebuild. I'll walk over here to the other side. You can see the little petting zoo, but you know, the stuff back there still is functionable for those who stay here. They have more lodging over there. We'll walk up there too. It's just, yeah, me right there's where the porch used to be around there. It's just crazy. Here's a petting zoo. Nothing in here right now. No, actually, my bad. There is a llama here. I think it's a llama or an alpaca. I honestly don't know. So there's other lodging here. Farmhouse is there. And the carriage house is over there. There's two guys here. Hello! Nice to see you this morning. How are you guys? Or girls? And then here's this backside view. This is just very surreal to be here to see this. It'll be all the more sweet when it's all done. And here's their pond. Still have their walking paths and the barn and the playground. And the geese. And it looks like some swan are out there. That's pretty cool. So, here's the property. Last time I was here is for the Whoopie Pie Festival, which they're not going to hold this year in 2023 because they don't have a restaurant to bake all those whoopie pies. I already asked them. Next year. But when I'm going to give you guys an update, this is May of 2023. May 7th to be exact. Right there is where the restaurant used to be. So sad to see it, but there is beauty from ashes. So we look forward to 2024 when they are going to be all done. But that is the update I want to show you. So I'm going to sign off for now. But we love you, Hershey Farm. We look forward to the rebuild of the restaurant.